Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm transforming Mum and I into festival queens. So I'm going to start off with Mum first. And I'm just grabbing the e.l.f. brow pencil in neutral brown, and I'm just filling out her eyebrows. As you can see, Mum's eyebrows are very thin, so I'm just trying to follow that line. And then I just go into the PLouise Eye base, and I'm using the shade 2 and just putting that all over her lid. This product is amazing, guys. It honestly makes your eyeshadows pop. It's brilliant. I love, love, love this product. Now I'm going to in the Morphe 39S palette, and I'm picking up a dark maroni purple shade, and I'm just putting this all in the crease. And then I am grabbing a dark fuchsia pink from the 39S and mixing that with the red shade from the James Charles palette. And I'm just putting that on the outer corner and matching it with that dark maroon shade that I used. I got my inspiration from my mum's top and the jewels that I picked out for her. So I'm going for like a purpley red look. Now I'm adding the black shade from the 39S palette. And I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend that out using the red shade from the James Charles palette. And blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Pigment Primer. This is amazing, you guys. I highly recommend this primer. It's great for pigments. And then I'm just putting down the Gypsy pigment from Peaches and Cream. Their pigments are so stunning. I highly recommend them. I use them all the time. They're so easy to use, and especially with that primer, they just set right down on the lid, no fuss. Now I'm just running some black eyeshadow through her lash line. I'm not making a wing liner, I'm just making a thick line just so you can't see the fake eyelash band. And I'm just going to be using Holy Grail cosmetic lashes. I'm pretty sure these are in the style Lust. They're beautiful and dramatic, which is what we love when we're wearing festival makeup or glam makeup. And what I do after this is I just clean up all that eyeshadow so it's like a straight line. And then I just go into some highlight using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. And I just use the purple shade Spectra, putting that on the inner corner and also on the brow bone. Now I'm taking Becca Backlight Priming Filter Primer. This is a beautiful glowy primer. I love this. And I'm also just putting in her T-zone some of the Tarte Smoothing Primer. This is great for filling out those pores. Now I'm taking the Loreal Infallible Foundation. This is in the shade 140. One of my favorite foundations to use. And then I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. And then just blending that out. And then I'm just setting her face with the Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder. This is a great translucent powder as well. I love it so much. And then I am just bronzing with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Another one of my favorites. How beautiful does it look like? I love, love, love. Then I'm just putting this Tarte blush on. I think it's called Frosé. I'll also link everything that I've used in the description box, so that's easier for you guys if you like a product and you want to know what it is. And then I'm highlighting with the exact same highlighter that I used on her eyes, the Spectra shade out of the Aurora palette. How beautiful is that purple highlight? So stunning. Now it's time for the gems. So I'm pretty sure I got these off eBay. They were only like $1 or $2. So pretty. And now I'm just placing some Too Faced glitter glue, as we're going to be applying some glitter. Because how can you not have glitter for a festival look, right? And this is just the In Your Dreams glitter in Pink Pegasus. It's just so, so pretty and matches this look so well. And now I'm just taking some Huda Beauty matte lipstick. I don't know what shade this is. It doesn't have a name on it, but it's just a pink lipstick. You could use anything that you have. And I just ran some eyeshadow underneath her eye, and that is all done. How pretty does she look? So cute. Now onto me. I am using the James Charles palette, and I'm going into the light green shade. And then I'm taking the light blue shade and just packing that on the outer corner. And I'm creating kind of like a halo eye look. Mermaid vibes. And I'm just darkening up that outer corner with the dark blue in the palette. And then I also do that with the green as well. I add the dark green. And then I just run that through the bottom. And then I just put on this Glitterally Obsessed, the Dark Sea from Colourpop. This is the Frozen 2, one of the sets in the collection. How pretty is it? Matches the eyes like so well. And then I'm just running that black eyeshadow as well along my lash line, just so you can't see the lash band. And I just take the Holy Grail lashes in Mood. And then I'm going into some Candid foundation by Revlon. I use the shade 200. And then just some Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer. And some Benefit Hoola bronzer, basically doing the exact same kind of steps I did on my mum. And then I'm using the e.l.f. blush in Twinkle. This is such a pretty pink shade. And then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and I'm using the blue and the green shade, mixing them together and creating a beautiful highlight. And then I'm just sticking my gems on. And then I'm just applying the Mcobeauty lip crayon in Dreamy. And my look is complete, you guys. Super easy, really, really gorgeous. I love, love the two looks that I created, and I hope that this gets you inspired. It was just so fun to do. It's one of my favorite things to do, festival looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And please like and subscribe. Bye!